welcome back to my channel. I am super duper excited for this video. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a bedroom makeover, my first ever bedroom makeover on this channel. I know a lot of you guys have always asked me to do a bedroom makeover, so here it is. I'm doing a room makeover for my sister, and it is a surprise, well, technically, because she knows that I'm giving her a room makeover, but she just hasn't seen like anything I've done so far and like all the design things and all the DIYs that I've been doing. So she doesn't know any of that, but she knows that there's something happening. But yeah, if you haven't watched part 1, which was the DIY closet doors, I highly recommend you watch it because that is a part of this room makeover. I gave her closet doors a makeover. She basically had sliding doors and I changed it to these like Bohemian like doors that you can just open. Yeah, and I'm super excited to do the rest of the room. So without talking any further, let's get right into that. It's just going to be a lot of clips, a lot of new DIYs, and just super duper fun. So let's get right into that. So here is the before. So as you guys can see, it's not too bad, but it can be better. So what I want to do here is first of all move this bed to that corner. I want to open up this room because as you can see right now, this room feels really small because the bed pretty much takes up all the room. And then move the dresser over here under the window. Also, I need to fix the window, the curtain rod, because it's like, look at that, it's almost coming out. And then this door right here is going to be fixed. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to see this door before this video, so maybe we can do some edit here. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and then basically for actual like work, there's not a lot to do. I really want to paint like half the wall, kind of give it a headboard vibe, and that's all the painting in this room. This room is already white, so I'm not going to touch the walls other than just the half like paint over there. And the rest is pretty much all decor. I'm super excited for this one because it's going to be really quick, easy DIY room makeover. Not a lot going on here, but I know that the difference is gonna be huge. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's make some holes in the wall. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. Also, you guys, this might look a little crooked here on camera because my camera's standing a little crooked. I don't know why, but trust me, it's not. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so I think I have decided to put it here, aligning it with the paint so that I have some room up here to put like decor. And I'm thinking maybe I'll paint over this part of the shelf with that same wall paint so it kind of blends in. Huh. I don't know now how I feel about that. Okay, I don't know, but let's just go ahead and paint that first. And the good thing is I don't have to level myself because this line is going to act as my level. The shelves are done. Oh my gosh, my time lapse is still running. Yes, I have my little phone recording here as well because you know your girl needs to make content for social media, for Instagram, for TikTok, for YouTube, like ugh, so much work. But yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Alright, so I think that's good. Worst case scenario, if I don't like it, I can always take off the shelf and patch the holes and repaint it. I do have the paint left. So that's done for today. I'm feeling super productive because that was like one of my big tasks to do, even if it's not that big. Alright, so I'm super happy with that. I think now I'm gonna go ahead and paint the shelf because I'll give you guys a close-up, but like the paint like from the sides and stuff is kind of coming off. The bottom too, it's not that great. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then what's my next move? I need to bring in the rug and bring in the long floor length mirror, so I have to do that. I'm gonna DIY a light fixture. Hopefully that works out. So if you guys see that in the video, then it worked out. But disclaimer, I am not going to be putting any of those DIYs, I don't think, in this video, just because I don't want this video to be super long. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just make a reel on like the DIY stuff that I do. So if you guys are interested in to see how I did it, you can just check out like my Instagram reels and you guys will be able to see. That's it for my to-do list. Today is Tuesday. She's coming back on Friday, so I do have quite a bit of time to go ahead and do the rest of the things. So I'm not worried about that. Rug is here. Okay. I am nervous. I got the rug from Wayfair. It was $140, I think. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so happy with how everything turned out. Honestly, it's better than I imagined. all my DIYs came out so like perfect. This lamp is a DIY lamp. If you want to see how I made it, check out my Instagram. I'll post a reel on that. All the vases are also thrifted. I painted them and they look so good. They literally look like they're from like anthropology or something like that. Like so nice. And this half and half wall, best decision ever because it literally gives the illusion of a headboard. It just adds that perfect touch in this room. The color is amazing. Everything just tied in so nicely in this space. The rug is honestly my favorite. It's from Wayfair. I really like it. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys if you're interested. And what else? I'm just like super proud of how this room turned out. My sister loved it, but I just couldn't get her reaction fully because my camera died. But I'm so happy about how everything turned out. Let me know what are your favorite things in this space. What was your favorite part of the video? Your thoughts, comments, and yeah, like, share, subscribe to my channel. And that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in my next. Bye!